Magandang araw po, Attorney Raymond Batu. Gagawa rin po ako ng sarili kong maliit na interjection, hindi, observation regarding po sa testimony ni Attorney Roderick Wamil na natapos na po kaninang umaga. So concluded na po yung testimony niya after the interjection of the senator judges. In fact, kahapon po, maganda po yung mga cross-examinations na ginawa ni Attorney Pua. And as I said kahapon is that, well, it was a kaboom, no? It was an atomic bomb explosion wherein na-damage talaga niya yung testimony ni Attorney Wamil. But today, this morning, pagkatapos po ng interjection ng mga senator judges, I would say that his testimony was completely destroyed, obliterated. Okay. Bakit po? Na-emphasize po, lalo po doon sa katanungan, no, ni Senator Panfilo Lacson that about this joint memorandum circular. Na-establish po kasi doon na paper audit lang pala sila. Wala sila tinatawag na physical audit. No? And that's why he said, Panfilo Lacson said, so, hindi po kompleto ang due process. Pag hindi kompleto ang due process, hindi mo mabigyan. Ibig sabihin, yung respondent, not only the BP in this particular case, but lahat, no, yung kaukulang pagpapaliwanag, no, kasi wala silang ginagawa na yung physical audit by volunteering to talk to these people to determine kung talagang nagastos ang pera o wala. Yan po ang dahilan kaya nire-recommenda, no, ng ni Panfilo Lacson na dapat amyendahan itong circular na ito. Take note that this circular is just a circular. It's not a law, ha? So, pwede po itong i-change, no? Kasi meron, sino lang bang gumawa niyan? COA, DBM, tsaka yung mga local government units, no? So, ibig sabihin, pwede po yan siyang i-change para maging accurate and complete. Nahirap kasi kapag basta-basta lang mag-conduct ng audit and then suddenly, because of that, dahil sa paper audit lang, sabihin mo ng ma-notice of disallowance, tapos later on, ma-recommend for filing in case in before the ombudsman. No? So, yun ang nakita ko na. And finally, na-establish din ni Panfilo Lacson yung sinasabing wala clearance. No? Wala kang security clearance. How would you know that? Kasi naka-bolt yan everything. Wala. No? So, ibig sabihin po, para sa akin, itong witness, pati Article 1, wala na. It is totally damaged already. Marami pong mga ibang mga katanungan po yung ating mga senator judges and everything. Pero, maganda po, pinupunto ko lang yung kang Senator Panfilo Lacson. Kasi it really struck, no, the heart of the issue na hindi talaga mabigyan ng chance makapagpaliwanag totally, completely. Kaya with that, no, I think din siguro kaya rin nag-react ng mabuti dyan si Panfilo Lacson kasi ano siya, PNP chief siya dati. And he knew paano gagastusin yung pera sa mga confidential and intelligence funds, no? Kasi what if ka nagbili ng yosin, nagkape and everything tapos hindi naging successful. Ibig sabihin, negative, hindi na considered dyan siya as confidential funds dahil walang documentary requirements. So, para mga ganun, no? So, ano po napatunayan? Finally, ang COA na ginawa pala paper audit lang. There is no physical audit. So, therefore, walang nagtanong kung sino yung Mary Grace Piatos and everything. So, ibig sabihin po, mababaw po ang pag-conduct ng audit investigation, starting from Attorney Wamil, and therefore po, itong ginagamit itong proceedings na ito para to impeach BP Inday Sara is not proper. It cannot be used to point out some sort of impeachable offense against BP Inday Sara. This should be looked into. There should be an amendment to that circular, 2015 joint circular, para po makamit po natin yung pong kompletong tawag nating due process. Maraming salamat po. Kinig po tayo sa next witness. And see you later sa ating recap.